Okay, bro, welcome to the trading recap. So today, as you can see, I had a winning trade, which could have been even fucking better than it is. So yeah, but still, let's take a look at today's trade. It was relatively simple. So at 2:30, okay, at 2:30, as you can see here, we had news, and news were pushing the price up above London high. We already swept London low in the pre-market session, okay, so we created a pre-market session low. Then news pushed the price upwards. We swept London session high, and Tokyo session high was swept during London session anyway. So we pushed the price up, and then I went directly to 1 minute, because usually what I noticed is that whenever we have news, if we are on 1 minute and after the 1 minute, we can actually, after 1 minute break of structure and inverse fair value gap, we can actually look for trades. So this is exactly what happened today. I marked out this bullish fair value gap that got inversed with this move down. Then here we also had another bullish fair value gap, and that also got inversed by this big black candle. And this big black candle, okay, not big black dick, but big black candle, also caused to have a bearish break of structure. So once that happened, I actually was thinking in my head the following. So we swept London high, which means we have liquidity sweep. Then by breaking structure to the downside, we confirmed that we have liquidity sweep. And at the same time, we inversed both of those fair value gaps to the downside. So this is more than good to enter shorts. So which is what actually happened. Okay, I entered in the shorts, and I put my stop loss above this last candle that created the first bearish fair value gap. Okay, so I put it above here, and at the same time, you can see that it was resting above the previous bullish fair value gap. So I put my stop loss above it, and I was targeting pre-market session lows. And additional confirmation why we could go lower today was actually OHLC theory. So as you can see, let me take the drawing. So as you can see, based on OHLC theory, we created a high. Therefore, we have to make a low as well and then close. So this is exactly another confirmation that was supporting the idea that we can go lower, which in fact we also did. Okay, so yeah, that was basically about the trade. So let's recap the trade again. Based on OHLC theory, we created a high, but we also needed to create a low. So that's why that was the first confirmation that we can go lower. Then the second confirmation was quite big trading activity during the news. So at 2:30, we got the news, which pushed the price up. We swept London session high. Tokyo session high was swept before anyway. So we swept London session high. Then we inversed both bullish fair value gaps. And at the same time, by the second inversion, we also broke structure to the downside, which was the reason for me to go short, and also put my stop loss above the highest inversed fair value gap, which was at the same time also above the highest candle you see here that had bearish fair value gap in it. Okay, so that was the whole idea, and I was targeting London session, pre-market session lows. Once I hit 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, I took half of the position out and moved my stop loss to break even. But then once we broke below this low right now here, I've put my stop loss above those highs right now here. Okay, so I put my stop loss like this, and then New York session opened. So I moved my stop loss somewhere like this. As you could see it, I don't know exactly where it was, but yeah, it was somewhere here. And this is where I took the full profit for around 41 euros and 50 cents. which is great. So what could have been better in this trade is to have enough willpower to hold the trade even longer and then catch, instead of 1 to 2 trade, maybe even look. That would have been a massive, maybe 1 to 20 risk reward ratio probably. Yeah, if I would sell at this exact point, it would be 1 to 20 instead of 1 to 2, so 10 times more, but it's all right. Win is win, okay? So this was a nice little trade. And yeah, at this point, I also invite you to join my Discord server. It's for free. I'm not selling anything. I don't have mentorship. So yeah, feel free to join. We have a trading section. We have self-improvement section, basically everything that we want to do to become like stronger men and better traders. And also feel free to subscribe to my trading YouTube channel. Wait, let me show it to you. Have some patience, okay? Social media completely fried your attention span, okay? So now we are here to fix it. Let it load. So yeah, feel free to join also my trading YouTube channel. It's right now here, because as you can see, my goal is to get rich with trading and becoming a stronger man with self-improvement, okay? So you'll see better trader and stronger man. So feel free to subscribe, feel free to join. I'm gonna insert this trade right now also here on my Discord server. So yeah, that's about it. Do the hard work and see you on top of the world.